want to get back to weather coverage here because we are starting to see some surfaces that aren't being treated, maybe sidewalks, parking lots, that sort of thing, Ron, getting that coating of ice.
Yeah, I mean, it's, we're looking at temperatures right at or just below 32 degrees in a number of communities. We have rain coming in at this point as well, so you know that there are going to be those slick spots out there, especially if you don't have things treated. Now, the good news for us, generally, most roadways are going to be treated at this point. The issue is that maybe they miss a small spot here or there, and if you find, or if you're the first to find those spots, well, you could have some slick conditions that force you maybe off the road or something like that, maybe through an intersection. That's where the concern is going to be. It's 32 in Pittsburgh this hour. That number is going to be going up because we now have had, just after the top of the hour, we had the warm front sliding through. So we'll likely be a couple of degrees warmer than that, maybe just a degree warmer than that over the next hour. 32 in Pittsburgh. It's already 33 in Cranberry. 30 in Butler, Katanning at 30 degrees, Beaver Falls 32, and Newcastle at 32. Because of the setup that we do have the winter weather advisory in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. That's for places like Beaver, Butler, Armstrong, Indiana County, and places off to the north. We also, if you're heading, maybe thinking about taking the turnpike this morning, we have the winter storm warning that will be in effect for the Laurels. That includes Somerset and Bedford County, parts of Westmoreland and Fayette County. That goes through noon, so just be aware of that. Here's what's going on right now, including what looks to be mostly rain now as the warm front's now through downtown Pittsburgh. We'll say, hey, if you are south of the parkways at this point, the East Parkway East and Parkway West, you're likely going to be dealing with temperatures starting now right at or just above 32 degrees. Anything north of there, you'll still have a solid chance for seeing temperatures just below 32 degrees, and that is setting up that line where we're seeing freezing rain to the north and what at least radar is showing as just all good old-fashioned rain coming in to the south of the parkways as well. This is a major winter weather system that's pushing through. Now, for us, it's mainly going to be in the way of some freezing ice, but for places off to the north, some big snow totals possible in places like Iowa, Illinois, up into Wisconsin as well. For us, 44, your expected high. That's because the warm front sweeps through and we warm up. Check out Morgantown. They could be into the 50s. In fact, I'm saying anyone south of I-70, you'll have a shot at hitting the 50-degree mark today. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook. We stay warm today, but cooler starting tomorrow. The 22 I'm showing you for a morning low on Wednesday technically is the low at the end of the day as we drop down to 19 on Thursday. Even colder weather arriving Friday and on Saturday. Right now, also, guys, just want to quickly note that we are watching Sunday and Monday. At least right now, model data showing a couple of inches of snow could potentially be possible.